Good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to study about the working principle of DC generator. As we already know, an electric generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. An electric generator is based on the principle that whenever the flux is cut by a conductor, an EMF is induced in the coil, which will cause a current to flow if the conductor circuit is closed. Okay, and this is the law stated by Faraday. That is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is the working principle of DC generator. Whenever the magnetic flux linked with a coil changes, an EMF is induced in the coil. And the direction to this induced EMF is given by Faraday. Faraday's law, the direction of induced EMF is given by Lenz's law. What Lenz's law states? Lenz's law states that the magnitude of induced EMF is so as to oppose the cause produced in it, right? So, using Fleming's right hand rule, the direction of induced EMF can also be found. So we already know the essential components of a DC generator are a magnetic field, a conductor or a group of armature conductors, and as per Faraday's law there should be a motion between the conductor and a magnetic field, right? So here in this diagram you can see that we are representing a single conductor, right? This is our conductor, ABCD is our conductor, and this is our magnetic field, north south magnetic field, and we will be considering ABCD as our single conductor. Okay, so we'll be dealing with simple loop generation. So here you can consider a single turn loop ABCD, and let us assume that this ABCD conductor, coil is rotating in clockwise direction in a uniform magnetic field with a constant speed. Okay, this is our coil, and this coil is placed in between this magnetic field. As per Faraday's law, there should be a change in flux, right? So whenever there is a change in flux, an EMF is induced. So here the change in flux will be made by rotating the conductor. One of the here this field will be stationary and this conductor ABCD will be rotating. So one will be rotating and another will be stationary. So here how we will be considering a single ABCD loop, that is a coil, and that is rotating clockwise in a uniform magnetic field. You can see the magnetic flux lines are going from north to south. You can see these lines, no? These are called magnetic flux lines passing from north to south. The direction also mentioned here. And this coil is rotating with a constant speed. Let it be taken as n. N is the constant speed of this coil rotation. As per loop rotates, the flux linking the coil side AB and CD changes continuously, right? So there will be two conductors AB and CD, right? So in a coil there are two conductors AB, CD, and AB and CD, these two conductors will be the flux linking with these two conductors will be changing continuously since this is rotating. We are rotating this coil ABCD in such a way that the flux linked with both the conductors will be continuously changing. Hence, the EMF induced in these coil sides also getting changed, like as we already said it as per Faraday's law, whenever there is a change in flux, there will be change in flux definitely, right? Because the conductor is rotating, so this magnetic flux will not be same in all the time. And so since this flux is changing with respect to time, the EMF also will be developing and that also will be changing. So this induced EMF will be acting in these conductors. So first we will be analyzing how this position will be changing. So first you can see this conductor A, B, C, D is in position, you can see in this position. Then this position means this conductor is placing like this, that is parallel. Position number 1, the generated EMF in this condition is 0. Why? You can see this one flat, that is parallel to this flex lines this conductor is placing. So that the generated EMF is 0 because the coil sides AB and CD are cutting no flex but moving parallel to it, right? This is our flex lines, and the conductor is placed parallel to this. So since this both are parallel, no flex cutting will be occurring in this coil, so that there will not be no EMF generation. EMF will be 0. Then you can change the position of this coil in such a way that the coil will be placed in this position, that is perpendicular to the north-south direction, in such a way that what will happen? The coils are moving right angle to the flex. Therefore, what will happen? You can see the position here, the directly right angle to the flex lines, that is vertical. The conductor will be in vertical position, so that maximum flux will be linking through this coil, right? So when the loop is in this direction, that is exactly right angle to the flux, then the cutting of the flux will be maximum rate. Though then what will happen? Generated EMF also will be in maximum condition, that is EMF will be maximum, EG will be maximum in this condition, and EG will be equal to 0 in this condition. Hope it is clear. Since one is connected in parallel and another will be connected in vertical position. Okay. So the flux distribution you can see here, the flux will be going like this. It will be acting like a sine wave, maximum, then 0, again going in negative direction, then you can see, sorry, the direction will be like this. The magnitude will be going high, then maximum at vertical position, then again coming to 0, then repeating the same. Likewise, why it is coming like this? Because there will be connecting, here we will be connecting the split rings in such a way that this will act as a commutator, and this will change the voltage generated in bidirectional to unidirectional value. Okay, so this commutator will be acting in position. So this is the actual working principle of DC generator. Okay, so this will be explained in detail in this diagram, and actually without considering these commutator segments, the actual EMF generated will be in the form of a sinusoidal value, right? You can see in this diagram the actual value will be like sinusoidal quantity, and outside the after commutation this will be coming in unidirectional, that is this will be coming in this like this. Okay, after commutation, before that it will be in sinusoidal value. Hope it is clear. So this is all about the working principle, and it will be detailed explained in this video, so you can refer this PPT also. So thank you.